So I will now move to our second script, which I will go back to our main screen. And this time I will be looking at the data sets. And the data sets are in general very similar to data products. The scope is a little bit smaller. In this case, you are just looking at a data set, which might be a table or a file. It's not like a big combination of different things. But it's quite handy, especially if you are looking at a third party. Again, you can look at what are some of the third-party data you are you have available in your company. And again, you can quickly compare them side by side to give you an idea. And in case of third party, of course, what's important is the cost, right? So you might have equivalent or very similar data sets, but the cost might be different, right? I mean, if you are trying to access live data, it might be more expensive than if you are trying to access data from like 1 week old data, right? And maybe for your research, you only need a 1 week old data, so you can actually save money by looking at little bit outdated data, or if you must look at the live data, then fine, and you can request access for it too. This third-party data, as simple as it looks, actually it provides a lot of ROI once you start managing and governing the third-party data. I mean, if you think about acquiring the third-party data, you can make sure you rationalize your decisions. You make sure you only pay that much that you need, because a lot of times at the companies we realize our customers buy the same data over and over from the same vendor for different business units, and they don't even know from each other. So like putting them here makes it more visible, easier, and it also applies to the third-party data which you share with the external parties, your downstream customers. You can ensure the quality and the consistency of the data sets here. So again, this second script is relatively straightforward. We are also working on integration with other marketplaces, public marketplace tools, so that you can exchange information. Like you acquire something from a public marketplace, you can put it here so that to be used internally in your organization.